Okay guys, here's the screencast for Wednesday the 30th in Uslc. We started today by looking, well, first off, there's a post, I guess, on the stream with a link for video announcements if you want to take a peek at that. Our class time was started by devoting about 10 or so minutes to grammar number 4, which is located here if you haven't submitted it yet. That'd be a great thing to do. That was due at the start of class. And the rest of the class period was focused on Herman Melville and his writing, which is located here, What Redburn Saw in Lancelot's Hay. We started class with a reading quiz, which you can take at Go Formative. And then at the end of class, we had a free write response that you guys could respond to a couple questions. You know, the first question has to do with what do you think, like what's your gut reaction to what Melville is saying? Do you agree with him? Do you disagree? Do you think the guy needs to get on some meds? You know, whatever it might be. And then the second part of it is how do you then, what we did in class was we looked at the 12 different people that Redburn encounters trying to find help for these people, and all the different excuses that they came up with. So my question in the second part of the free write is how do you deal with suffering, with people that are hurting around you? Do you engage it? Do you ignore it? Do you get angry? Do you blame? That's what today's class was about. Pretty depressing, but it was a good discussion, I thought. Sorry you missed it.